Did you know that the scent of lavender can help improve your sleep quality? Today, I'll show you how to make a simple bed spray that will have you drifting off into dreamland in no time. Medical studies have shown a correlation between lavender aromatherapy and increased melatonin production and sleep quality. To make this sleep potion of sorts, you only need 4 things: a 2-ounce glass spray bottle, some lavender essential oil, and some water, preferably distilled or filtered, and some witch hazel. To start, add 2 tablespoons of your witch hazel to your bottle. Next, add 6 to 10 drops of your lavender essential oil. Finally, fill the remainder of the bottle with your water. Don't overfill it. Shake well for about 30 seconds. Ooh, that was quite the workout. I think I need to lay down. To use the spray, shake a couple of times, then simply spray 1 or 2 pumps on your sheets or pillows before bed. I do, however, recommend that you try a test patch on some of your fabric to make sure it doesn't cause any discoloration. I had a dream last night that you want to see more content like this, but you were missing out. To prevent this nightmare from becoming a reality, click that subscribe button. I'd like to see you in the next video. Until then, enjoy your real, simple, and healthy life.